Welcome, guys. Thanks for tuning back in to another episode of the Game of Cryptos. As you can see from today's title, we are going to go over Solana and, just kind of do a little quick update about, everything, that's going on with the, Solana ecosystem. Obviously discuss about, what happened when, Solana this network broke down for like 5 hours the other day, and is this room, should we be cautious, should we be worried? I'm going to dive into that here, but before that, as always, a tweet from Twitter. This is from the altcoin daily brothers. They say, I wonder why so many people are willing to spend 40k on a brand new car but not invest 1,000 into BTC or ETH, or just in general in crypto. Just to discuss about that, guys. This is the time to be invested. This is not financial advice, but we are so close to the Bitcoin halving. It's roughly 2 months away. This is the time to be risk on. This is the time to put money into the market. Again, not financial advice, but if you're out buying silly things that you don't need, that's why you're not building any capital. That's why you don't have any money in your savings account. It's because you continuously spend, and you don't invest into assets like Bitcoin or assets like into ETH, assets that have appreciated over time. The charts don't lie. Bitcoin is the best asset that you can invest in year over year. So having that said, let's go and talk about Solana. So obviously, you guys know Solana broke down for like a couple hours the other day. And, a lot of people, had someone in the comments saying, do you think Solana is still a good investment? Well, if you guys remember watching my previous video, or if you're new and you don't remember, or you haven't watched my last video, I talked about some steps when it comes to investing in an altcoin or crypto in general. And one of the steps, step 4, was, is it on a popular blockchain? Solana has been a very popular topic in 2023 and in this year in 2024 so far. When Solana went all the way down to, I believe it was around like $8 in 2022 with the FUD from FTX and Alameda, people were really fearful that Solana was done. But Solana has made a tremendous recovery ever since then. I mean, look, it was at the pits of it was holding on to its lifeline. But now it's already 10x since then, up to $102. And, everything that happened with the other day with the network being down for a couple hours, it didn't do anything to the price. Guys, it's actually higher than when it was when the network went down. I do think you want to note it, but I think that the narrative for Solana is still so bullish that it going down, even like it did the other day, I don't think it's enough to worry your investment. Like anything, you want to be diversified. But continuing this point, one of the people that followed me commented on YouTube and was saying, is Solana just a good investment in general because of its market cap? Because people were assuming, you're assuming that since it's a higher market cap, that something that's a lower market cap is going to give you more returns, which is generally true if it's a good project. But because like I said, with Solana being a bullish narrative and being a bullish blockchain, things are building on it, I still think that there's a lot of room for it to run. I would say minimally it can go to a 5x from now, and I would say maximum, you're probably looking at a maximum 10x. Now, to answer that person's question, is Solana still a good investment? It depends on your risk tolerance. It depends on the returns that you want. If you're someone that's looking for a 5x, then yes, Solana is still a great investment. If you're someone that's looking for a 10x, then yes, I still think Solana is a good investment. Now, if you're someone that's looking for 50x, then no. The answer would be no. Solana is not going to be a good investment if you're looking for higher return like a 50x, because that would put its market cap at a crazy, crazy number. And it's just not realistic for it to happen. So Solana, if you guys are building a portfolio, you just have to look at, okay, what is your risk tolerance? what are you trying to get? Are you trying to 5x your portfolio, 10x your portfolio? Are you more, going on the safe side with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana? Or do you like the bigger, more low cap or meme coins? But what I was stressing in that video was just stating that Solana is still a bullish narrative. And in addition, something that I would also say to the follower that was talking about Solana and asking, is it still a good investment? I think a better question is, how can I utilize and leverage the Solana tech in the ecosystem to actually make even more money off Solana? So what I mean by, if we go and we're going to go and check out Crypto Bubbles, I love this website. If you want to potentially maximize even more gains, let's say you're someone that doesn't even want, let's say you don't want to buy into Solana because you are looking for more than a 5 or 10x. If you still believe that Solana is a bullish narrative, then basically get a proxy to Solana. A proxy to Solana would be anything that's built on its network, like PYTH network, NOS, Neon EVM, Myro. I hesitate to say Myro because this is a meme coin and it has retraced a lot. Or OTK, Octo Gaming. These, I think, none of this is financial advice, but these could be potential good picks to add to your portfolio if you're looking to leverage on Solana, if you're looking to get more return on Solana. Now, this is just an example, but if you just look at numbers for this month, Solana really hasn't done much. But look, PYTH Network is up 87%. It's outperformed Solana. NOS is a scaling solution for, NOS. I don't want to give you guys the wrong information. I actually think NOS has to do something with GPUs. Let me double check that. But this was something that is on the Solana blockchain, and it is new, yes. So GPU cloud computing. Now, this is a pretty bullish narrative, just GPUs in general. I've talked about Render with you guys, and then NOS is on Solana. So this could be something that you could invest in. Again, I don't own any of this, but I'm just going over examples of things that are basically proxies that are of Solana that could give you potentially even more return than Solana itself. And then you got like Octo Gaming, again, a bullish gaming infrastructure play on Solana. It can get you more returns. It's up about 6% for the month. Now, you do need to be careful with some of these cryptos because the newer ones can have big retracements. I mean, you saw what happened with Myro, a really big sell-off. And Neon EVM, it has been selling off slightly, but by all means, does that not mean that like something like Neon can still be a good investment? You just have to be a little bit more cautious when you're investing in these newer plays, because again, it's still a lot of speculation. But these are all cryptocurrencies that I do think have potential to outperform Solana. If you look at its overall chart, I mean, it has come down a lot, but it's still, I would say it's still bullish. And again, I'm not advocating for like meme coins like Myro. I don't own any meme coins right now. I don't own Myro, and Myro has had a lot of FUD. But again, if you're someone that has higher risk tolerance, then maybe something like this is for you. Again, none of this is financial advice. So again, today I just wanted to do a quick video just discussing things about Solana. I still think, personally, I think Solana is completely fine. I think it's going to be one of the biggest narratives for this up and coming bull run after the halvening. I still think Solana's in play for a really good 5 to 10x. But again, if you're someone that is looking for more return than that, but you're still bullish on Solana, then again, I would go and look at the cryptos that are in its ecosystem that are built on the Solana blockchain or utilizing Solana. Figure out which ones of those that you're bullish on and maybe allocate some funds to that to get even more return. I hope that makes sense, guys. Let me know in the comments. Are you bullish on Solana? Do you guys own any Solana? Or are you more bullish on the cryptos that are in the Solana ecosystem? And if you are, let me know which cryptos in the Solana ecosystem that you are bullish on. Until next time, guys, I will catch you in the next video.